days. Look at those hot honey wings. Immaculately classy. Cooked to perfection. Not to mention delicious. Wagwan, wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
We're gonna be whipping up some wings. I have here 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, flats and drums. Gonna go in with some vinegar, about a quarter cup of vinegar and some cold water. I'm gonna rinse those off to get off the excess debris and the rawness and just to keep them nice and clean. Because you know we always have to wash our meat. We're from the Caribbean, so we wash our meat, you know. If you have lime, you can put lime in here, as well as if you have lemon, you use lime or lemon. Or if we don't have those, we just go ahead and use the straight vinegar. And we're gonna rinse with fresh water. You just rinse off the excess vinegar off this chicken. To season our wings, we're gonna go in with some olive oil. This will help to bind the seasoning, about a tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. So if you have green seasoning, you can go ahead and use that. However, I don't have any on hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and massage these until all the seasonings are properly combined. Look at that, beautifully seasoned. That's what you want. We can allow this to marinate for about half an hour at minimum, or overnight is best. Gonna add my wings to my air fryer. I'm gonna air fry these for 10 minutes and you're gonna flip them halfway through to get them nice and golden brown. I have a hot pan right here. We're gonna go in it 2 tablespoons of butter. We're just gonna melt that down. Alright, so once we get that melted, we're gonna go in with some honey. Quarter cup of honey and a quarter cup of your favorite hot sauce. Gonna go in with a pinch of salt. Give that a stir. Ooh, smell it already. There we go. So we're just gonna allow this to just slowly simmer, and this is what we're gonna be using to dress our chicken. After 7 to 8 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now we're just gonna go ahead and flip that, and we'll repeat the process for another 7 minutes or so. Or if you need additional minutes to get them nice and crisp to your liking, you can let this go for 15 minutes in total. So back in for another 7 to 8 minutes. After 15 minutes, nice and crisp, we're gonna go in now with all our drums. Alright, so there we go. The drums, these are a bit thicker, so about 10 to 12 minutes on each side, or until they're nice and crisp at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go. Ranch dressing. So we're gonna go with some carrot sticks and celery sticks. Here we go. Nice and golden brown. Just gonna add those to the flats. Alright, so here's our sauce. That hot honey. I'm gonna pour that right over the wings. About half the amount. We're gonna toss that up. And there we go, my friends. Beautiful hot honey wings done up in the air fryer, served with a side of ranch sauce as well as some carrot and celery stick. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Of course, yeah. So the first piece. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Of course, dip it in that sauce, ranch. Mad. Say David wings. Yeah. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.